Hi, y'all. This is Mike the Beach Guy coming to you from Walt Disney World here just outside of Orlando, Florida. Wherever you decide to vacation on the Suncoast Barrier Islands, Disney World is only less than a 2-hour drive away. Today we're at Hollywood Studios, which is one of the 4 Disney parks which make up Disney World, which also includes Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom. In this video, I will highlight just some of the attractions here at Hollywood Studios. Today, we got here at what they call rope drop, which is when the park opens at 9 a.m. As you can see, there's a lot of enthusiastic fungoers entering the park. It actually only took a couple of minutes waiting in line this morning to get through the entrance. This is the Main Street entrance into the park. There are several different areas in Hollywood Studios, such as Star Wars and Toy Story Land. Here we are entering the Star Wars area, where you will be immediately transported to another alien world. Even if you're not a big Star Wars fan, you will be amazed at the architecture and decorations of this out of the world futuristic planet. The attention to detail is unreal. Everybody's favorite, the X-Wing fighter. And then there's the evil Empire TIE fighter. This is the bazaar in the Galaxy's Edge, which has many shops that sell Star Wars themed merchandise different than what you would normally find in other Disney stores. Ah, the famous Millennium Falcon. This is also the entrance to the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run ride. There are several Star Wars rides which are all state of the art. Today I will highlight the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run ride. This ride is about 5 minutes long, but I will show you only a small portion of the ride. And as Yoda would say, lots of fun this one is. The most popular Star Wars ride is the Ride of the Resistance Action Adventure, which is actually about 20 minutes long.
You are both that precious cargo. Now get a move on. And welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gallants, you play the fan. Pilots, line up behind
Por
the tank.
favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Flight engineer, repair this. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. Push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not.
We are now entering Toy Story Land. This is a very fun area, especially for kids and for us kids who are still young at heart. You can see the popular Slinky Dog Dash roller coaster in the background. And you gotta remember the Green Army Soldier figurines. Well, here they come a drumming. Always a crowd favorite. Here we are in line for a ride called Story Mania. It is a moving 4-dimension ride where you shoot virtual video game balls at 3D targets to score points. This video is a bit blurry as this is a ride where you will wear 3D glasses to see it all clearly.
Fun. Under row 4.
Row 4, Tammy.
1, 2, and 3.
Hey, welcome to our practice game.
Just hold the train.
What's those pies? Hey, everyone. Now you get to score points. Hey, is that tossing time?
And fire to launch further.
Lastly, we will briefly cover the very entertaining Indiana Jones Life Stunt Spectacular show. This show is really awesome and lasts about 20 minutes with showings throughout the day. Be sure not to miss this one. So let's just watch and listen to this short clip, which will leave you wanting to go see the entire show. Okay, this was a really quick overview of Hollywood Studios, which has so many, many more fun rides and attractions. So again, no matter where you are vacationing on the Barrier Islands, make sure you carve out a day or multiple days to visit the Disney World parks. Thanks for watching. I hope it was both informative and entertaining. If you would like to see more of these beach vacation videos, please click the subscribe button to follow me, Mike the Beach Guy. Then click the Mike the Beach Guy logo and be sure to check out all the playlists for hotels, restaurants, and fun things to do in all of these little beach towns. Thanks again. Time to have a margarita.
Like the beach guy, he's a friend of mine. He showed us paradise where the sun always shines.